And here you see a lot of options. So these options are very helpful. One is the overview, which we are not going to cover today because it's of no use as of now. It's a very feature packed tool in terms of overview also, but for now we are skipping it because it's of currently of no use. Board is even further a very awesome tool. There is no alternative for boards and overviews in the market as of today. Okay, but again, we are not going to cover that. What we are going to cover is a repository, which is important. So repository is a, you can say that it's a folder or a location where you can keep your code on a cloud. So it's not on my machine, it's on Microsoft machine where I'm going to put my code. So how to do that? So let's say this is the complete step written here in detail. So dummy is an empty project, add some code, clone to your computer. So if I want to copy this repository, which is currently empty, to my machine, then I can directly hit on clone in Visual Studio Code. So if I click on this, I don't need to copy and paste or do anything else. I can just come here and, okay, I think I've had it open. Let me cancel it. Let me close this as well. Now click on clone. So this will open up the Visual Studio Code for the first time. Now you can mention where do you want to put your code. So let's say desktop and code. Let's go inside the code and say, let's select this folder. Now, would you like to open the clone repository? So it has already cloned it and it is asking me whether I want to open it. So I'll say yes, open it. Now you can see currently it is completely empty. There's nothing inside it. Okay. But having said that, you can again go and create the project. How to do that? You can go and say create Java project, like we have already seen, right, in the last lecture. So we can, let's keep it as it is, Yeah, select the destination. And it is trying to create the project. Let's keep it as it is. Yes, everything is correct. And build successfully. Now you can see I just created a project in Java using a template. Now everything looks green. Why? Because these are U tagged file. U means untracked. Untracked means these are new files, freshly created. There is no history of these files. That's why they are all green. Okay. So we just saw how to clone the repository, empty repository in Visual Studio Code with just one click. After that, we saw how we can again create a project from scratch using Visual Studio Code in some clicks. Now, once this is ready, you can see here in the Git section, there is 3 written, meaning there are 3 files changed. Okay, which are those files? These are those 3 files, not folders, files. Okay, if you click on this icon, it says view as tree. Now it becomes a little more easier to understand which files of which hierarchy has been changed. Okay, if you click on any one of these, it will show you the changes. Left is original, how it was, and right is what you changed. Okay, since it is a new file, left is all empty, right is everything new. Okay, similar for all. Now that I created a project and these are the changes, I can mention the comment here and commit my code. So what is commit and what is other options that are available in Git? We will quickly look at that.